Bula Vinaka. Thank you for joining me today. It's 1:20 p.m. here in Busan, in Korea. And I have the privilege of doing this live with Juhne Kamikamica. It's very hot here in Busan, so I'm fanning myself, but the room is air conditioned, so hopefully it'll be okay. I'll survive. Wasota ni mbera na nero sema mai ke June baleta niyo kito field trip ni kwa. Yeah, so we went on a field trip to the other side of Busan. I'm here attending a conference. So this is a conference I'm attending. It's a World Heritage meeting conference. It's an international one, high level as well, with all the ambassadors and ministers of culture and heritage from all over the world. So we're all here in Busan for 2 weeks. So I'm very blessed to be here to represent the Indigenous Caucus, which represents the indigenous peoples around the world. So I'm wearing 2 hats right now, representing the indigenous people of the United States, acknowledging the Association of Tribal Archives, Libraries and Museums, which is the organization that I'm representing here in Korea, and also here working alongside our brothers and sisters from the Pacific. And I had the privilege of speaking at one of the side events here in the main meeting, talking about the importance of indigenous knowledge in managing our heritage resources all around the world. Yeah, so that's why I'm here, and I just came back from visiting the National Archives of Korea, the Busan branch, and after that we visited the National Contemporary Art Museum as well. So I just got back a few minutes ago, and welcoming everybody joining in, and we hope that Juhne Kamikamica will join me soon. So Bulavinaka Juhne, hopefully he will hear my message and join in. Bula Juhne, I'm just logging in now and seeing if he's online. Yeah, thank you for those of you who've been following my postings, and I hope that you've been learning as well, learning about the different culture, different history of the world, especially for our Asian brothers and sisters. So I think Juhne is here, hopefully with our live. Usually before, our faces normally shift here and there, so I hope, fingers crossed, that Juhne will be the one to look nice, not so much me. Okay, so I'm adding Juhne now. Boleh binaka ni wala nga may na uno ni siya muchuk mikina, and kabina ka ni sige ni koklani kato sa ochungon na tuwa pala ka na mama ni dole singa levo kla may biti sa ya kabi yeah via biti pa kalok tolu kalok na kabi kende barong chukumay. So Juhne, if you can try again. So, boleh binaka Juhne. Thank you to everybody. Binakabali mo na siya mamay. Okay, hopefully it will work, Juhne. It keeps saying connection failed. I don't know why. So let's keep trying. Okay. Oh, 4:25 p.m. Maybe Chandina. Bula binak semi. Okay, ito wawa mo na kami siya maramo June. Oh, vinak mareva. Sige, liso kami ko na field trip ko sa kata-kata. Oh, ko sa kutunga kina ko na iri, at kina tawani wai. Mina sa ngunuay nga bakaliw, eh? Ngunuay nga bakaliw. Okay, June, let's keep trying. Keep saying connection failed. Okay, June, ke siyagang go. Yeah, I got your request, June. Otherwise, I have to jump on Zoom. Yeah? And then we are June. Just like before, eh? Where feed fails, then we just go on Zoom. Zoom is more stable. Ed. Okay. Alright, hopefully this will work. Tumbulo may Melbourne. Okay. Alright, I'm adding you. I'm sending you the request now. Ed. Okay. It keeps saying the connection failed. I don't know why. So I'm sending you the request. Iyo. Yeah, kaya sa fail nga bitar-tarabing ko. Dor sa landingan na Zoom, eh? If that's okay, June. Iya, boleh benar kay so tambu se di tombale. Lonisa tamani boleh benar ka. Okay, yeah. Alright, June, let's jump on Zoom. Okay, we can na barong chukumay. To sana siya may na Zoom, eh? Merara na to sema ve June. Maref tangi lalan dong boleh benar ka isa boleh weni. So se si bo dong boleh may Donald Victoria may Melbourne, Sala Rangau, tumbuli binaka. Esa Semi, Tina Elijah, Nambola, tumbuli binaka kay Andy Maitonga, William Rambuko. Yeah, to sana lang din na Zoom, so give us 5 minutes and you'll see us live on Zoom and you'll be able to hear us. Okay, in 1 minute, not 5, 1 minute. Okay, Naka, see you soon. Bye.